What's up, fam? So me and my two boys have decided to do a bit of an impromptu visit to the pier here in New Brighton, Christchurch. And look, Mr. Whoopi's here. We can't not have some Mr. Whoopi. If you know, you know. If you don't, you don't. Anyway, let's go.
I can feel a warmth, yeah. Heat waves through the winter months, oh. Type of love never expire. Burn slow like a bonfire.